When you're sipping your daily brew, massive factories are transforming mountains of coffee beans into instant granules at mind-boggling speeds, producing enough jars in just 24 hours to fill a warehouse the size of 3 football fields. Today, we're going to explore a mesmerizing process that turns tons of raw coffee beans into 175,000 jars of instant coffee daily. Did you know that instant coffee was first invented in 1771 in Britain by John Dring and patented by the British government? However, it wasn't until 1851 that instant coffee made its way to the United States, where it became a quick solution for soldiers during the Civil War. In 1901, the first successful technique for producing a stable powdered coffee product was invented by Japanese-American chemist Dr. Sartori Kato. Around 1910, George Constant Louis Washington began mass-producing it in the US. During the 20th century, World War II played a crucial role in increasing the popularity of instant coffee. Alongside the emergence of major brands like Nescafé and Maxwell House. Today, instant coffee has become a versatile choice for coffee lovers, with hundreds of brands and the convenience it offers. Coffee is now grown in more than 60 countries, and Brazil is the leading coffee producer globally, cultivating over 35% of the world's coffee supply. The process of harvesting coffee berries is a meticulous and time-consuming task, primarily carried out by skilled harvesters. Coffee berries are handpicked only when they reach full ripeness, which is identified by their bright, vibrant red color, a visual indicator of optimal sugar content and flavor development. Harvesters must exercise precision and care during this process, as unripe green berries, if picked prematurely, can negatively impact the overall quality and flavor profile of the final coffee product. On larger plantations where manual labor may be insufficient to meet the scale of production, mechanical harvesters are sometimes employed. These machines move along rows of coffee trees, shaking their branches with vibrating rods to dislodge the berries. While mechanical harvesting is highly efficient and can handle a large volume of berries in a fraction of the time, it is less selective and may also collect unripe or damaged berries, which require further sorting during processing. After harvesting, ripe coffee cherries can be processed immediately at the farm or plantation. The coffee cherries are poured into a water tank where they are gently stirred to remove any impurities. The coffee cherries are cleaned and naturally dried, often spread on clean ground or drying racks for even sunlight exposure. Workers turn them regularly to prevent fermentation or mold from moisture buildup. The drying time lasts from 7 to 21 days, depending on the weather conditions. Dried coffee is fed into a drying drum to achieve the required moisture content. This step makes the beans easier to process and ensures their quality is not affected by excess moisture. After drying, the parchment coffee is transferred to a stone separator. This machine removes impurities such as soil and metal, ensuring clean raw materials and protecting the equipment in subsequent stages. The hulled coffee beans are then passed through a size grading system. The beans are sifted and sorted into uniform size groups, making it easier to meet the requirements of different markets. At the coffee factory, where hundreds of workers produce instant coffee, up to 560 tons of coffee beans are stored in large silos. The beans are roasted at a precise temperature of 210 degrees Celsius for 12 minutes using state-of-the-art roasting machines equipped with advanced technology. The beans are constantly monitored through sensors that adjust the heat and airflow, optimizing the roasting process to release the full aroma and flavor. During the roasting process, a tool called the coffee trier is used to check the coffee beans, allowing the roaster to monitor their development closely. Then, the coffee is ground into a coarse powder, mixed with hot water for extraction, and the resulting extract is frozen at -50 degrees Celsius. It is then broken into pieces, placed in a vacuum chamber, and sublimated to remove water, turning it into granules. The finished instant coffee undergoes a series of rigorous quality control tests conducted by experts before it is packaged. These specialists assess various factors such as aroma, flavor, color, and consistency to ensure the coffee meets the highest standards. After passing the quality tests, the instant coffee is transferred to the modern packaging line. The automatic dosing machine accurately weighs the amount of coffee powder for each product unit, usually 2 grams or 3 grams for small packets. Whether it's to start your day or during a break at work, instant coffee is always a convenient and quick choice, right? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss out on more interesting videos.